Let's discuss wiring a three-phase 120/208 volts main panel to a single-phase 120/240 volts automatic transfer switch, intended for use with a 12 kilowatt 120/240 volts generator. First, consider the branch circuit wiring from the main panel to the transfer switch. The black wire originating from the main panel should be connected to the load neutral terminal on the transfer switch. The red wire from the main panel should connect to the load top 1 terminal on the transfer switch. Next, the white wire from the main panel goes to the load hot 2 terminal on the transfer switch. Finally, connect the green or bare copper wire from the main panel to the ground terminal on the transfer switch. Now let's look at the volt amp output of the 12 kilowatt 120/240 volts generator. This generator will output both 120 volts and 240 volts power in a split-phase configuration. The specific volt amp output will vary depending on the generator model and the load that is connected. For 120 volts output, the generator can supply up to 100 amps per leg, with 2 legs available, resulting in a maximum of 2,400 amps total. For 240 volts output, the generator can supply up to 50 amps per leg, again with 2 legs, for a maximum of 1,200 amps total. It is critical to remember that the transfer switch must be appropriately rated for the total ampacity of the branch circuit. For example, if it's a 100 amp 120 volts branch circuit, the switch must be rated for 2,400 amps. It is also important that the branch circuit wires be properly sized for the expected load and the ampacity of the generator. Always consult the generator and transfer switch manufacturer's instructions for the precise wiring requirements and installation details. They will provide specifics tailored to the equipment you are using and ensure a safe and compliant installation.